Good morning again. So this is Praveena from Hue Property Management. I work out of Porur. Today we have Grand Magnum with us. So Grand Magnum is 20 years old realty company with over 20 million square foot sales in retail and industrial land. Grand Magnum is currently having over 10 lakh square foot of live projects in Chennai in residential plots and 60 acres in industrial land. Now, Mr. Ram Kumar, who is the Director Sales, CRM and Marketing, has joined us today. He has come with about 15 years of experience in insurance and realty industry. We request Mr. Ram to brief us about the current project and also to keep the presentation for half hour, as the next half hour will be for question and answer session. Thank you so much, and over to you, Mr. Ram.
Yeah, hi. First of all, good morning to all. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are. Thank you.
So thanks, Amit, for giving this opportunity, and thanks, Indra. So to the larger group, I know Amit from past 2 years and used to be Indra's colleague in my older organization.
Mr. Ram, can you come closer to the mic and little louder, please?
1 second, sir. So am I louder now, sir? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Once again, thanks, Amit, for giving Grand Magnum such an opportunity. So without wasting time, I will just take you through our company presentation. It's a small presentation which will go for exactly 20 to 25 minutes. Post that, as Praveena said, we are open for discussion.
Q&A session.
Q&A session, yeah.
Yeah, Q&A session. So is my slide visible to everyone?
You just started screening it. It is just loading.
Okay.
Yeah, it is now.
Okay. Okay. So just introduce to the larger crowd about Grand Magnum. So Grand Magnum is a sister concern of Grand Housing Private Limited, which we have been into a reality from past 20 odd years. And we have developed and sold around 20 million square feet as of now in and around Chennai. And we have more than 1,000 customers with us right now. Right now, our office is headquartered in Annagar, and we have ongoing projects of around around 10 lakh square feet, and our turnover is around 100 crores with asset around 400 crores right now currently in the market. So our ongoing projects are right now in New Perambalatur, Guduvancheri, Tirupurur, and Oragadam. And we have done other projects across Chennai and all the other regions. So these are the 5 live projects which we go. One is called Newtown and Homeland, which is in Perambalatur. Harish Avenue, which is in Illalur, Tirupurur. Crystal Paradise is one project in Guduvancheri, Kairameda. And we have one in Oragadam opposite to Hiranandani. So these are the layout sketch. So we are only a layout developers. We are just got into sparse villa development, but largely we are only into no layouts. We don't do any apartments or builder floor apartments. So this is our Homeland one new project. So phase 1 is already sold out, and we have opened phase 2 and phase 3, where we have already sold 50% of our inventory, and we have another 5 phases coming up in the same location. So this is another project which is in Newtown. This is a 4-acre property with 1 lakh square feet. We have another 60,000 square feet available to be sold in this current project. Both these projects are in New Perambalatur. There is a place called Nedungundram near SNP Signature Villa. If people have visited SNP, we are just right adjacent to SNP. We share the same compound to SNP. And to give another reference, it's near Casa Grande Vistas project.
Mr. Ram Kumar, could you be a little louder, please?
Okay. So this is the location of our Perambalatur project. So it's behind your Shriram Gateway. There is a road which connects Kolapakam. Yes, Perambalatur to Kolapakam. Inside you will find one Velamal School. We are behind Velamal School near SNP Signature and Casa Grande Vistas. So we have almost 10 lakh square feet only in that location itself. We are launching in different phases. We have launched 2 phases and sold out. So we have launched another 4 phases where almost 50% is sold and sales are running up. So we have 10 lakh square feet in Perungalatur. So advantages of our Perungalatur, which is our primary product, is you all know Perungalatur is well connected to all the schools, colleges, hospitals in and around Tambram, and also to road connectivity from the project, your inner ring road, outer ring road, 150 feet road which connects your Perungalatur to Rajakilpakkam. Everything passes through the project. So this advantage of this location is it gives 15 minutes access to all the major roads, railway stations, bus terminals, airports. If you want to exit to Porur DLF or Mahindra World City or Orakadam or Siriseri IT Park or MEPS, so everything is in 20 minutes connectivity because of the highways and inner ring roads available. So that's how the prime it is. Even if the public transport, we will have a new Mavassal bus stop which is built near Crescent College. You have metro coming up, so the site has access to 2 metro stations. One is a Vandalur metro and one is your Perungalatur metro. Both are in equal distance of 4 kilometers. Your airport is at 20 minutes distance, and your normal railway station itself is at 4-kilometer distance. So it is well connected to all the major transport hubs. So today, if we look at any of the residential plots, say in Tambram or Rajakilpakkam, the prices are already at 5,000, 5,200. If you come to further to Pallavaram or Kurompet, it's 6,000 and upwards. So here you get a pricing advantage of the half the price, and you get a similar connectivity which is of Perungalatur. And the more advantages, there is no water problem. So water is abundantly available in the site, and it's an upcoming location. So investment wise also, if client wants in next 5 years, we are looking at the price range of around 5,500 to 5,800. Right now, S&P and CASA already are selling their villas at around 6,000 rupees per square feet. So that's the investment opportunity for the client who wants to invest in plots. So this gives them absolute returns compared to other locations. So that's the advantage of the project in such a location, right? So this is about the plots which we have. In the same plots, we have launched some sample villas. So this is just to give an elevation of villas. So a lot of clients are asking, we don't want plots, but we want ready to move in villa. The another advantage why we come up with a villa is this is a ready to move in construction site. It's not a layout where we have to wait for another 3 years to houses to come up. Already the area is well developed. All the gated communities like CASA, S&P, even in our site itself, people have started constructing and living. So for the people who want immediate villa to move in, right? We have done some 2 villas, which is sample for the client. If they want, if anyone wants in a different design, we have tied up with a lot of contractors, or the client himself, we can help us in getting the design and villa getting constructed. For just to start, we have done with 2 villas in 2 different sizes. These are the current stage of completion. We are not completely finished because some people might want certain modification in the villas. So we have done the overall structure and kept it ready for the client, so that if they want small modification, they can get it done at this stage itself, and it will be cost effective. This is a villa which we have done in 1,250 square feet plot area with 1,680 square feet of built up area. So this is a G+1 construction which has been done with the car park and hall, dining, kitchen, bedroom, toilet in the ground floor. And your first floor will have 2 bedroom units with attached bath, dress area, and a sit out with a terrace access. So this is one villa plan at 1,250 square feet of land area. This is another villa plan with 1,480 square feet of built up area at a plot size of 1,113 square feet with similar design of kitchen, puja, and 1 bedroom in ground floor with car park. And in the first floor, you'll have a 2 bedroom with attached toilet with a sit out area and terrace access. So these are the 2 villas which we are already constructed in the site with 90% construction over. If some people want a small modification, we can get it done and get the villa. So almost within a month, anyone can get their home and they can move it. So that's the stage of completion which are kept in. So for the villa, these are the uh, specifications, how we are putting it on the structure and wall. We will share it with the larger group. I have to have a detailed understanding of all the specification and designs and everything, so that you can go back in leisure and share with your clients. So my team will be in touch with you. There is a person called Naveen who coordinates my CP team, and Mudassir. So they'll be more than happy to connect to us and share with you all the details to villas and to plots. So getting into the pricing, as I said, Perangalatur, I have two projects. Newtown, which we are charged, no, it's a plotted development with 3,200 rupees per square feet as a saleable area. My Homeland one, which is next to SNP, it is 3,600 rupees per square feet. Villas, we are selling at 5,200 per square feet. That is including land plus construction is 5,200 plus square feet. All these prices excludes your government registration charges and GST. So these are the final prices which we are launched. Guduvanjeri, it's a small layout. We have only 4 plots left where we are doing 1,999 per square feet. And Tirupurur, again, we have only 6 plots left with 1,199 per square feet. And Oragadam, we have plots with 1,500 rupees per square feet. So all these locations on the specific needs, we can share with the client all the drawings, map and everything basis your need. My team will be more than helpful to share with you all those details. So this is on the pricing plus. All this pricing excludes your registration and GST. This is all-inclusive price excluding taxes and registration stamp duty. So coming to a larger part for the CP commission. So all my project, right? We for the plotted development we pay 4% on the guideline value. So on Newtown, my registration value is 2,900 and Homeland it is 3,000. My villa project, I pay 3% on entire 5,200. Since we don't have any hidden cost, we are paying 3% on the entire 5,200 rupees. And all the other like Grand Square, we pay 1,500 4%, and Harish Avenue 900 is our guideline value, we pay 4%. So simple to say, 4% on the plotted development and 3% of the on the villa project. The villa project advantage is I pay 3% on the entire cost, excluding GST and registration. On the entire amount, I am paying 3%. So there is no hidden charges in the villa project, like sump kivlo, idukku avlo adu mari edum kedaiyadu. So it's flat rate of 5.2 and you make 3% on the flat rate. So if I compare with the villa in Casa Grande or SNP, as I said, they are selling at 6,000, 6,200 per square feet. I am selling at 5,200 per square feet. So for any client buying, it is almost 15 lakh rupees saving straight in the villa projects in the same community, in the same area. Uh, so that's a short presentation. I'm just opening the floor for any questioning answer.
Basically, villa, we wanted to show the people who buy 1,000, 1,200 square feet plot how they can build up, how the house exactly comes, how best they can build up is basic idea. We started the project for villa, and we have a lot of inquiries. Unfortunately, because of COVID, it is a little bit slowed down. Otherwise, we have a lot of inquiries over this area for both plot and villa. On the basis of the inquiry only, we've started this initiative.
Hi, this is Padma Wilfred here. And for the Perangalatur plots, what is the size it starts from? For Newtown?
Ma'am, it is 3,200 rupees per square.
Plot starts 900 square feet, madam.
900 square feet.
Okay, thank you. And it's what approval it is?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the approval?
It's all CMD approval. Ma'am. It's all CMD approval.
Okay.
All our projects are CMD and RERA approved.
Ram, what is the guideline value for your plotted projects for Perangalatur, Oragadam, Tirupur, Guduvancheri? Guideline value?
Sir, I mentioned, sir, the guideline value for Perungalatur is 2,900 and 3,000. For Guduvancheri, it is 1,600. For
Okay.
Illalur, it is 900. And Oragadam, it is 1,500.
So Tirupur is called Illalur.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
it is Illalur. There is a place called Illalur in Tirupur. So Illalur is almost 3 kilometers from your Tirupur.
That is in which road it is? Like from ECR road, I mean from
No,
OMR road?
No, the
how far
road
it
which
is?
connects to the Guduvancheri.
Sir, from OMR, before Tirupur temple, there is a right which goes towards your Chennai Patnam. So on that road, it is on the 3rd kilometer. It connects
Third
to
kilometer.
Guduvancheri. Yeah. It connects
Okay.
to Guduvancheri. Tirupur Guduvancheri road on the 3rd kilometer.
Mr. Ram, this is Mujibur Rahman over here.
Yes, sir.
Could you just highlight as to which is your hot selling or a fast selling project as of now?
Sir, as of now, Perungalatur is my fast selling project, sir. And after Perungalatur, it is Guduvancheri and Illalur. But Guduvancheri, Illalur, we are almost sold out.
And what could be the
Left with
appreciation
only
if a person
5-6
wants to
plots.
invest in Perangalatur?
Yeah, Perungalatur, we are, yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm
What
sorry,
kind of
sir.
appreciation do you look to if I invest in Perangalatur or
Sir, as I
invest
said,
in-
sir, right now, Perungalatur, we are selling at 3,600, 3,200. In next 5 years, we can look at around something minimum at 6,000 rupees per square feet.
Oh, you're confident on that?
Yes, sir, very much. The reason also I will give you, what is the logic of me quoting that number? Right now, your Madambakam, my project is very close to Bharat Engineering College. So technically, the project, there is a 150 feet road which connects your Camp Road junction to Kolapakam junction. So the already 150 feet road has been laid near SSM Nagar and everything. So if you currently the price in Madambakam and everything is around 5,200 to 5,300, right? If you are coming to Selayur Camp Road, which is Chittalapakam and all those, Chitlapakam and all those, your current prices of land area is 6,000 rupees per square feet, right? So Perungalatur is a next location because after Bharat Engineering College, which is your Mapped junction, which is the upcoming location in that locality. Mapped is already selling at 4,200 rupees per square feet.
On an average, what's the distance between all these locations and your layout?
Sir, from Perungalatur railway station, my layout is exactly at 4 kilometers. From Bharat Engineering College, if you take a 150 feet road, it is 4.5 kilometers. From Camp Road junction, it will be 7 kilometers.
So not a much of a distance to travel.
It's all a 10 to 15 minutes journey, sir. That's that.
Yeah, good input, Mr. Ram. Very good
As
input.
I said
And,
even if you want to connect to Oragadam is 18 kilometers from a project. Within 2 kilometers, you will take the ORR. So your travel time is very less. Since I am in contact with Kolapakam, my OMR is also in 20 minutes drive, which is your Siriseri IT Park is in 20 minutes drive. Your Mahindra World City, your MEPS, your airport is all in 20 minutes drive. If you're taking an inner ring road, again, DLF, it's also at 20 minutes drive. So within 20 minutes, you're connected to most of the IT hubs of Chennai. Yes.
So it's very conveniently located.
Yes, sir. And the biggest advantage is if you take into the other side, which is your Mudichur, Manivakam, though the prices are less, the water logging and all the issues are still pertaining. That's the reason that area is not developing. We are in the other side, which is behind Accenture.
Now, having spoken about the water, what is the quality of the water and at what depth?
Sir, at 60 feet, we are having water. So there are 3 levels of water. 60, 120 and 350. So depending on the client's wish, they will put the bore.
Potable water or?
It's all potable water. It's a potable water. Potable water.
I think the others are open to ask questions now.
No, the other biggest advantage is, sir, see, water logging problem is not there. And also, in future, there will not be any demand for water as well, because, we have a huge land parcels around the site. We have a zoo, which, see, major problem in Chennai is because, we are closing the land completely. So the water is not getting inside the earth. Here, we don't have such problem because, we have a zoo, Wonderlore Zoo, which is behind, which will not be closed. We have Air Force Training Center, which is nearby, so they will not be closing, and there is no chances of high-rise apartments to come here. Because the permit level itself, it's G plus 3 only.
7.
7 only over here. So high-rise
Yeah.
apartment, there is no choice, and it is all towards east. So water logging or neither the water problem will not be there.
My next question would be: are you providing any payment facility, or is through the bank only?
Sir, it is through the bank only, sir. We don't do any EMIs.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's all RERA approved and bank approved projects, so not an issue.
Mr. Ram,
Yes, sir.
yeah, in Newtown, Perangalatur,
Mhm.
what are the amenities you provide? Is it a gated community?
Sir, it's a gated community, sir, but there is no clubhouse, nothing. It's only a gated community with plots and villas.
So in terms of amenity, roads are white, black.
So the roads are laid. There is a walkway which is done. Street lights are provided. Walkways are provided. It's a 4-acre land parcel only. We don't have any park or a clubhouse.
So it is a 4-acre means it is a DTCP approval.
It's
No,
all CMDA, sir.
CMDA.
It's all new approval. So after 2018 June, Perangalatur comes under the CMA region. So by default, it comes under the CMDA limits.
Okay, what is the road width then? Is it a 40 feet and 50 feet or
30 and 23, sir.
30 and 23?
Yes, sir. DTCP requires 50 and 40. CMDA is 30 and 23. On a 4-acre, on a larger parcel, it is 40 feet and 30, 23 feet.
Okay. And what is the distance to Velam Mall?
Velamal is a 2 minutes walk, sir. You can just walk to school and come back by walking. From Newtown, it is 800 meters. From Homeland, it is 2 minutes walk. It's hardly 150 meters.
Okay. Could you please share the availabilities also? If you
Yes, sir. All the things will
Definitely.
be shared, sir. All the things will be shared. Naveen is my project head. He will be sharing all the details with the larger group.
And you also share the guideline values of the different plots which you mentioned, like Oragadam or Illalur Road and Guduvanjeri also.
Sure.
Because I believe your payouts are on the guideline value is what you have told, not on
Yes,
the
Yes, sir.
market value. But
Yes,
market
sir. For the
value
plots,
is
for
all
the plots,
inclusive except the registration and GST which you said.
Yes, sir.
And how about the site visits to these projects?
Sir, client can, we have a full-fledged team center. They can call us. We will arrange a club for the clients, not an issue.
Okay.
One-on-one basis. Sir. It is not bulk booking on a bus or something. We will do one-on-one basis.
Send a
Yes,
separate cab to every single customer. There is no bulk travel at all.
Hi, which banks you are tied up, and what is the loan percentage they are dispersing?
Ma'am, up to 75% if the client is opting for SBI and LIC. HDFC up to 80% we are providing.
Okay. Just send your number also in the chat.
Naveen, unga number share
Yes.
பண்ணுங்க.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Thank you.
I think, friends, we have enough time, so we can go ahead with the further question and answer session, and and then they'll be happy to answer all our queries.
Ram, can you
Amit.
work on a special payout package for our team?
Yeah, Amit, I'll work it out and send it to you. Amit.
Sure. Share it with me, then I'll share it with all of them. I can also talk to MD. I'll be meeting him today post lunch.
Okay.
So I'll also request him, and if you can give something special for all of us, that'll help.
I'll work out something. Amit. Yeah, I will do that.
Thank you so much.
Most of the member is only Kriya, right? Here, all the members are from Kriya or other groups also?
No,
No.
it's
These are not Kriya. This is a separate group.
Okay.
Yeah.
To add to further what Mr. Amit just said, can you give us a group incentive?
I can work out, sir. You can give me the list of people, list of all the channel partners at one go. For the entire list, we can probably try to do some group incentive.
Yeah, that would be a great thing to do.
Not an issue, sir.
Great. What you
We
can
are
do
very
is
flexible in that. End of the day, we need to do business. So.
Yeah, Mujib, what you can do is, like, we initiated a separate WhatsApp group for for channel partners, let's have a separate WhatsApp group for channel partners only for Ramkumar, so that he will know who are all in that WhatsApp group. He can communicate with them easily. He can share everything on the group. All will get it easy.
Yes, fair enough.
I will create a group, Amit, and I will give you the admin access. Probably I'll share the link also. Probably whoever wants to join, they can join.
Yeah, if you
What
can do it
we'll
right
do
now.
is all
Yeah, I'm just
all the people who are in a group, they can list out their name and mobile number, and we will create a separate link to share all the leads, so that all the leads coming from that group will we can work it out in a group incentive on a monthly basis or so. So we'll work a slab wise something, and I will discuss with you, Amit, and once that is.
What is the name you wanted to mention?
Realtor Friends?
Yeah, Realtor Friends and Grand Magnum.
Anyone have more doubts on any plotted development approvals or?
See, Amit, correct me if I'm wrong. The main purpose of having such a initiative is so that everyone is benefited a little bit more.
Yeah,
so therefore,
fine. Correct.
Yeah, that's the main intention of this group,
yeah.
And we hope to succeed in this also. So
Sure.
let's hope for the best.
Sure. So Ram just asked, does anybody have any kind of doubts on how plotted developments are approved, or any other doubts on plotted development? Please go ahead and ask.
We are also coming up with a development in Poonamallee High Road, opposite to Panibalar, on the high, NH4. So once that is done, we will open up it for the group also. We'll share the details on the WhatsApp.
Are you, Mr. Ram, are you looking at ventures inside the city as well? And are you looking at JVs?
Ma'am, for plots, I don't think how inside city it will work out.
Not for plots, for any other upcoming projects? Do you have any other upcoming projects?
We have one in Poonamallee, ma'am. We do only plots, as I said. We are not into apartment or any construction.
Okay, so
only plotted development.
Villa projects also, only outside the.
Well, in and around, ma'am. Otherwise, the cost will not fix, because if you are doing within the city, your plot itself will be upward of 10,000 to 15,000, and plus construction, it will be too expensive, and it will not sit in the JV, because they will all go in MSB rates. Plots will not work on MSB rates because their efficiency is only 60%. So if you give 1 acre, I can do layout for only 24,000 square feet.
Agreed. I'm only asking if you have any future plans.
You want? Do you asking me that I have land parcels?
The company. Yeah.
Yeah, I have land parcels, but in and around Chennai, not within the city. I don't have.
Okay.
I can give you in my plotted in Perangalathur. I can give you in, as I said, Poonamallee on the NH, which is opposite to Panimalar College. I can give you a land parcel. I can give you around Chengalpet area. All these locations I can get you land parcels. Not an issue.
So rephrase the question, Mr. Ram.
I have already shared the WhatsApp link group so that people can join with that link. So there will be a special offer, as Ram said. We will work out for a special offer kind of a thing, and we will roll out in that group. And this will be applicable.
Mr. Srinivasan, you were asking something. Sorry.
Is there a future acquisition plan that you have? That's what I think Pravina wants to know.
Yes, sir. We have acquisition plans. We are looking for land parcels around Illalur, Guduvanjeri. These are the two preferred locations. Avadi Ambattur.
Who handles your business development?
So these 4 locations, if anyone have a land parcels of 4 acres, for the new project, I'm saying.
That's all. You handle the business development, acquisition of the new properties, or is there somebody else?
It's for the new project for our company. We want to develop. So we are looking at the land parcels in Illalur, Guduvanjeri, Avadi Ambattur. These 4 locations. If you have any land parcels more than 4 acres for JV, we can look into it.
Will I connect with you, or is there some other business?
You can connect with me directly, sir. I will share my number in the group. For any BD related, you can contact me directly.
Oh, okay. Because most of our realtors might have some land parcels. That's what I wanted to know.
Thanks, Srinivasan, sir. That's what I wanted to know. Thank you.
Yeah, you can contact me directly. So this is my number I have shared. So
I'm
anything
just
with
sharing your number now.
anything with JD, you can contact me directly. Anything with the retail sales, you can contact Naveen or me, no problem.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Even if you want any industrial lands, we have industrial land parcels. Either you can get in touch with Amit. Amit is the one who advises our company on all our industrial land parcels. So, or you can contact me also. So both can help us. This is for warehousing or any small industries you want to set up. You can get in touch with Amit or me, any one of us. As I said, Amit is our principal consultant for all our industrial warehousing projects. So he can help you out, or you can call me in case you want to have any further clarification. Any more doubts, team? Anything on you want to understand on plots, approval process, or you know how things work in plotted as information?
Yeah, it could be a little helpful if you can say how you go about the approval part.
Okay, sir, I'll tell you how the plotted development works. I don't know. A lot of people would have worked for plots, or many people would have not been so plot favorable and apartment friendly people. So how plots work is simple, sir. So there are two approvals which are prevailing in Tamil Nadu right now. One is GTCP and one is CMDA. CMDA applies only for the CMA region, which is a Chennai Metropolitan Authority division. Right now, it is extended to Mahabalipuram, to Madurandagam, to Gumudi and this side till Pundamalli. So most of these things comes under CMDA. So all the approvals which is applied right now after 2018 July order, CMA comes under the CMDA approval limit, and beyond these regions, it comes under DTCP. Or if it is under like Mahabalipuram or something like that, it will come under the MLP, which is Mahabalipuram Land Planning Authority, or Trichy Land Planning Authority, or your Madurai Land Planning Authority, all these things. In between the villages and the city, it comes under the District Town Planning and Commissioning approval. So this comes under the DTCP. So CMDA and DTCP has separate set of guidelines for approval, right? So for example, CMDA bases your area, what you are launching. Anything more than 2.5 acres, 2.4 acres, you need to give OSR, which is 10% of your land area, and you have to, minimum road width has to be 30 feet and 23 feet square, 23 feet road. That's the minimum road width, which is for the CMDA regions. For DTCP, it is completely separate. DTCP minimum road width requirement is 40 feet, irrespective of land area. DTCP requires to provide, stormwater drain and electricity provision. That is mandatory for DTCP approvals. Whereas CMDA doesn't ask for these approvals. So once that comes under the corporation limits, it will be inculcated by the corporation, or by basis the developer, they provide all the stormwater drains, EB facility, and all those things. So this comes under. Usually the approval takes from both these things between 4 to 6 months for either CMDA or DTCP. Efficiency, that is in 1 acre, how much is a saleable area? In DTCP, it works out around 59 to 60% right now. You can work out, and the CMDA you can work out from 60 to 62%. Basis the land area available. That is, if you have a 44,000 square feet of land area, 22 to 24,000 square feet, you can do a saleable area. So this is how the mathematics of plot works. Whereas in apartments, you work on FSI, which is a 2 FSI for all the units across Tamil Nadu. That is, in 44,000 square feet, you can do a 90,000 square feet of construction. Whereas in plot, it is reverse. There is no FSI. There is only an efficiency of plots, because you have to give away, lands for road, OSR, for panchayat, for EB. All these restrictions are there. So this is how the the plot works. Plot market works in Chennai. So many places, that's why you would feel the apartment price and the land price are almost same. So right now, if you want to buy an apartment in Perungalathur like SSM Nagar, or you have Isha Anandam, you have Access Real, all these things, your TVS. So if you see, the prices will be 3,500 to 4,200. Whereas the plot I am selling at 3,600. The reason is this, because your efficiency in plots are lesser. And plots, obviously, since it's a land value, you are not getting any only UDS. That's a straight plot which is registered in your name. So in future, the appreciation of plots are much, much higher than the apartment because plots never have a depreciating value. It has only an appreciating value. So that's how the plots are more advantageous than an apartment.
Okay. Hi, Ram.
Hi, Hindra.
How are you?
Good, good, good.
Okay, great. So இப்போ இந்த villas பத்தி இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் டீடைல் வேணும். Villas வந்து எவ்வளவு number of villas வருது? Like how many villas are coming?
See, we have to totally, as I said, I have 10 million square feet to sell. Sorry, 1 million square feet, which is 10 lakh square feet to sell with almost 2,100 plots. So we are, all these things we are separated into a 4 acre, smaller land parcel to make approval and sale easy. So if you see in an average, all my current layouts already have 20 to 30 houses which is getting constructed.
Okay.
So villa right now we have done a 2 sample villa because people in the problem with Chennai crowd is people who see land is they see 1,000 square foot is too small a land area, right? Or a 30 to 40 makes a half a ground, or 40 to 60 make 1 ground. So they feel ஒரு கிரவுண்ட்ல தான் பெரிய வீடு கட்ட முடியும், ஒரு 800 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட்லயோ 1000 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட்லயோ பெரிய வீடு கட்ட முடியாது அப்படின்ற ஒரு மென்டல் பிளாக் வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த 1000 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட்லயும் பெரிய வீடு கட்டலாம் அப்படின்றதுக்காக we have done a sample villa. And the advantage is
okay. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஏதாவது villas பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Grand Magnum?
No, we are not. We are, as I said, we are not into villas. We are only into layouts. This is for client understanding. And see, if you are the advantage of our project, I'll tell you, not to degrade any other company, but if you want to buy something, say in Casa Grande at 800 square feet, I want 1,300 square feet 3 BHK, you can go only for row houses. Means you will have a common wall. You can go only for the row houses. You cannot do any modification tomorrow. It's not possible for any developer to give you an individual villa at this size.
Okay.
The advantage with Grand, where we don't have any clubhouse or anything, is even at 1,000 square feet, you can get a 1,500 square feet built up individual house with a compounded facility, which is not possible with the normal realtors. Normal realtors will only give you row houses because the equation of mathematics will not fit in.
Okay, so இது வந்து Accenture-க்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கு, right? Behind Accenture.
From Accenture, it is exactly 4 kilometers.
So அங்க வேற என்ன developments இருக்கு? Any hospitals nearby or any other projects?
You have SNP Signature City, which is a gated community. It is right next compound.
Casa Grande Vistas.
Casa Grande Vistas is behind me. Yeah, site length, you have to go into Vistas. TVS Green Acres is there. Isha Anandam is there. Access Real is there. SSM Nagar is there. Lot of projects are there. It's completely.
What is the ticket size? What is the ticket size of the villa?
Villa would start at around 72 lakhs to 90 lakhs. It's again depend on the client. As I said, we have made 2 sample villas. If the client even wants to do at 50 lakh, he can do. It's up to the customers. As I said, we are not into a prefixed structure. It's only a sample villa for sale.
Okay. Thanks, Ram.
But if they want, accordingly, we can get the design and get it constructed.
Okay. Done.
See, like another advantage for business purpose as a CP, apartment villas and it has a lot of other involvement also. Kattano, mudikano, vikkano, kadasi varaikkum irukku. Inge vandittu very simple, varuvanga, they will book, they will check the legal, bank na bank, own fund na own fund, and the CP payout will be very soon. 1 month endradhu da maximum naangale kudukkறது for people who are buying it. We have customers who had bought it in 1 week as ASAP as they can. So there is no delay from our side. So நம்ம villa இருக்கு வராங்க, I mean இது இருக்கு, land இருக்கு, வராங்க பார்க்கறாங்க, ஓகேனா book பண்றாங்க, legal check பண்றாங்க, then they can go ahead with registration.
So technically a client can get into his new home in 4 months time. வீடு வாங்கி 4 மாசத்துல கட்டி அவங்க கொடுத்து. They don't have to wait for the entire project to get completed and all. And it's still a gated community.
Naveen sir, a suggestion here. In the WhatsApp group you can create பண்றீங்க இல்லையா? அந்த projectோட pin location share பண்ணுங்க sir. That will be really helpful.
புரியல சார்?
Location share பண்ணனும்.
கண்டிப்பா.
4 projectோட pin location share பண்ணிடுங்க.
சரி.
இந்த ஒருகடம் project வந்து ஹிர்கோ சைட்டுக்கு இருக்குன்னு சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா?
Hiranandani
Hiranandani
site
opposite.
opposite, diagonally opposite. Damler பக்கத்துல வரும் சார்.
டேம்லர் பக்கத்துங்களா? இந்த
ஒயிட் வில்லாஸ் தெரியுங்களா? ஒயிட்
ஒயிட்
வில்லாஸ்
வில்லாஸ் தெரியும். ஆமா,
ஒயிட்
அந்த
வில்லாஸ்
white
நம்மளோட
villas
சைடுல
உள்ளே
தான் சார் கட்டிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
அது உள்ளே தானே?
ஆமா.
ஒயிட் வில்லாஸ் எங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல தான் ஒயிட் வில்லாஸ் கட்டியிருக்காங்க.
ஓ ஓகே.
அத சுத்தி இருக்கிற பிளாட்ஸ்ல எங்களோட தான்.
ஓ ஓகே ஓகே.
எங்க
Out of a 17 acre
பின்னாடி இருக்க லேண்ட் வந்து நம்ம ஒயிட் வில்லாஸ் கொடுத்திருக்கோம். சோ இது வழியா தான் போய் ஆகணும் நீங்க ஒயிட் வில்லாஸ்.
அது ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இருக்க லேண்ட் தான் போய் இப்போ நீங்க லேஅவுட் பண்றது இல்லையா?
Out of 17 acres, 11 acres we gave it to VNCT to do white villas, and remaining 7 acres we have as a plotted, in which we have already sold 4 acres. We are left with 3 acres of land parcel.
Which is towards the highway, you're saying?
On the highway.
On the highway, sir.
Hiranandani
service road plots.
From Singaperumal Kovil, it would be exactly on 8 kilometers.
Right, I've worked for Hiranandani, sir. I know the site very well. The VBNC, VNC.
VBNC க்கு முன்னாடி என்ட்ரி அவ்வளவுதான். உங்களுக்கு அந்த VNCT white villas entrance தான். அந்த ரோட் அப்படியே ரைட் லெஃப்ட் அண்ட் ரைட் plots அவ்வளவுதான்.
நாங்க ஒரு பெரிய ஹோர்டிங் வச்சிருப்பாங்க சார். நாங்க அங்க பெருசா பண்ணலன்றதுனால ஒயிட் வில்லாஸோட ஹோர்டிங் வைக்கிறதுக்கு அலோவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அவ்வளவுதான். as simple as that.
Right.
Mr. Ram? Mr. Ram?
Yes, sir.
So, which are the hospitals, just to recollect, which are the hospitals and what are the hospitals and
Sir,
is there any temple near this thing, Grand Mag?
Sir, Grand Magna Pakkatha, there is a 70-year-old Shivan temple, which is outside the project. உங்களுக்கு அதோட கிட்டக்க குபேரன் கோவில் is hardly 15 minutes. Hospital போனா அன்னை வேளாங்கண்ணி is 2 minutes distance. Then all the hospitals of Tambram எல்லாமே 15 to 20 minutes accessல இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு இந்த பாரத் இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ், பாரத் மெடிக்கல் காலேஜ் எல்லாமே 15 minutes accessல இருக்கும். So எல்லாமே 5 kilometer radiusல தீபம் ஹாஸ்பிடல், பார்வதி ஹாஸ்பிடல், வேளாங்கண்ணி ஹாஸ்பிடல் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து 5 to 10 minutes தான்.
Okay, is there any
Chettinad hospital இருக்கு இல்லீங்களா சார்? அதுவுமே இந்த
side. The rate, you said there is no other rates which are tagged to it except registration and GST. PLC ஏதாவது இருக்கா இல்ல வந்து எதனா preferential plotsக்கு வந்து
கார்னர்
charges இருக்கா?
இல்ல சார்.
Any for the corner plots particular, you know, in plots?
இல்ல சார், கார்னருக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம சார்ஜ்.
We charge only 100 rupees for corner alone, and I don't have much of a corner plot left, so that I didn't mention. எல்லாமே வித் maximum 1-2 கார்னர் இருக்கும். Corner alone we charge 100 rupees more, and we charge 30,000 rupees for getting patta and other legal document and other process. 35,000 rupees. We don't have any north PLC, east west PLC கிடையாது. அந்த PLC கிடையாது. Only for corner we charge 100, and I hardly have corner plots. The stall is sold out.
Thank you, thank you.
Indra, seems we have come to almost the end of the program.
Yes, sir. Yes, Mujibur, sir. Yes.
And
So
I think
I just wanted to tell you one thing, that actually Mr. Ram is a very, very potential person. He's like, he has a great experience in sales and marketing. I've seen him in my previous company, and I'm sure like if we go with our client, he will definitely help with his expertise to close the sale. So I think this Perangalattur sounds very interesting, Ram. So over to you, Mujibur, for vote of thanks. Thank you.
thank you, Indra. I, on behalf of our realtor friends, express our deep appreciation and thanks to Mr. Ram and Mr. Naveen for the brief but yet elaborate explanation and agreement about his projects all across, spread across the Chennai. Further, we are grateful to all the participants who have stood rock solid behind us in all the 14 meetings organized till now. Further, we are thankful to Ms. Praveena for her welcome and introduction of Mr. Ram. We are also thankful to Ms. Indra, Mr. Purushothaman, Mr. Amit, Mr. Vinay, for providing us a platform to do such a daily dhamaka, which I believe and trust is going to be helpful to each and every one of us. With these few words, thank you once again.
Thank you all
Mr.
for.
Ram. Thank you, Mr.
Indra.
Naveen.
Thank you for
Yes,
all.
thank you.
So much, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Ram and Naveen. Superb presentation.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.